Today we'll talk about how can you set your goal on your Fascinating Tracker app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on me down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here in this sign here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on personal data here. Then you come to next CPU. So then all you have to do, you just click here on your goal here. So then here can you select your goal, you click here on next, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.